What's happening, guys? I'm Kerry, and it is finally here, the second part of that gift I told you about last time. So rather than sit around and just talk about it, let's go ahead and dive right in and take a look at what we've got. What we've got here, I think, is an outer box for shipping, which is good. The downside to this that is not on camera right now is shipping label actually tells us exactly what is inside it. So here we go, guys. We've got a set of rigid D2s is what we've got here. So let's pull these out. Let's pull these out and take a look. All right. So we've got a set of rigid D2s, and not just any D2s, excuse me, but the rigid D2 high-lows. These are actually dual beam D2s, which I think are going to be particularly valuable on the trail for me because, you know, I don't night wheel that much at all. Hoping to change that, but when I do, I'm typically not in the front of the pack. Tend to bring up the rear of the trail, and you know, how many times do you get out there and you just get blinded by the fellow behind you? Well, nobody wants to be that guy. So I think having the high and low beam may help with that. We'll see. But let's take a look at these. I've got our specs here. These are a driving beam and 3096 lumens. That's quite an output for the high. 607 lumens on the low setting. Okay, I knew I saw a little seal here somewhere. Okay. Well, maybe. Oh. That's how it's going to be. Okay. Welcome to Rigid Nation, huh? Packaged by Raul. All right, so Raul, if you're out there watching, thanks. Hope you did a good job for me. Okay. First impressions, very hefty. I've taken a look at some imitation pods before, and I gotta say, these are noticeably heavier. All right, very cool. So rigid spots are 10 degree pattern. Their floods are 20 degree, and this is more of about a 40 or 45. I don't have an exact number, but so I'm looking forward to seeing this in the real world. Pull these out. Take a look at it. Yeah. Yeah, very nice. Got your cooling fins here. Nice sealed connection there. Moisture vent to allow moisture to escape, not let anything back in. Waterproof. You know, with that shape, I'm not sure if that qualifies as a Deutsch connection or not, but it's definitely a waterproof connection. All right, so let's set that down. Pull the other fella out, get him out of the way. And let's see, okay. Raul, you did too good a job. I can't get this out. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Okay. So we have our wiring harness, the illuminated switch, since these are a dual beam, high and low. This should be a 3-position switch. Okay. Let's see what else is down here. We got mounting hardware, stainless steel brackets and hardware. And all right, we got a sticker pack, huh? That's something else for the tool chest. Is this viewpoint? Okay. Marketing for their website. Some information. What is that? I guess a business card or something. Got user's guide, installation instructions. For what is this? The D2 and the SRQ2. Okay. That's what's in the box. All right, guys. Well, that's what we got, and stay tuned. Very soon we'll be putting all this together and putting it on the Jeep. Look forward to sharing that with you. Thanks for joining us.